What an awesome wipeout!
Yeah. All right, now it's Daddy's turn.
When this cause a comment.
He's taking his time taking some
What's
photos.
yours called?
Did you go this way, Cody?
Mostly just because that's the way my momentum carried me, yeah.
It's like a total drop off from here.
It's not too bad. There he goes. That's pretty good.
Okay, the video's over. Goodbye.